In this video, we're going to be looking at areas of triangles, and then we're going to be looking at some examples on them. So looking at the first triangle, so we have triangle ABC, and we want to find the area of triangle ABC. So for the area of triangle ABC, so we use the area rule in this case. So we have A opposite, and then this gives an opposite for C, and then this gives the opposite for B. So what we have is it's half then times, if you are using angle A, then you're going to be using two sides, because that angle should be included between the two sides. So it's going to be B times C, then of sine angle A. So that is if we are using angle A. You can see that angle A is included, and what you mean is angle A should be between the two sides. Okay, so we should have something like that. So if we are using angle B, so for angle B, there are the two sides for B to be included. So it's half times what AC, and then times what sine angle B. And then if we want to use angle C, then we're going to be talking about these two sides, so that angle C is included. So we have half and times it's AB, and then times what sine angle C. That is if you want to find the area of triangle ABC. And then we get to the second one. So to the second case. So the second case is most common, which is a right angle triangle. So the area of triangle XYZ is going to be equal to your half times base times height. So it's half times base times height, since it is a right angle triangle. So this was what this was in the area rule, so it's the area rule. And then here we're just using half base times height because it is what it's a right angle. Okay, so what we're going to say is half times, then the base is YZ. So the base is YZ, then multiplied by the height which is perpendicular, which is XY. So that's how you can look at it. Or else if you were to rotate this triangle, you could be having half times the base can be XY, and then the height can be YZ. If you could rotate a triangle, it really doesn't matter how you look at it that much if it is a right angle triangle, just because it's just a multiplication. So YZ multiplied by XY is the same as what is XY multiplied by YZ. That's why it doesn't matter that much. So we're going to go to the third case, and then we're going to look at some examples. So the area of triangle ABC, here we have to construct what a perpendicular height, but then remember that we are still dealing with this triangle. So we're going to have half then multiplied by base times height, because we have 90 degrees now. But then we just need this height, because actually what is going on, the height of a triangle is more like the rise, the perpendicular rise of what of a triangle. I'm not sure if that makes sense. So it's half then multiplied by base times the base, and then here is your base. Your base is what is BC.